Welcome back to our channel, where we demystify the world of finance and help you make your money work for you. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that many people are curious about: how to invest in stocks. Investing in stocks can be a powerful way to grow your wealth, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and strategy. In this video, we'll break down the key steps you need to take to get started. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Set your financial goals. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to define your financial objectives. What are you investing for? Is it retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education? Identifying your goals will help determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Take a moment to write down your specific financial goals. This clarity will guide your investment decisions and keep you focused on the bigger picture. Step 2. Educate yourself about stocks. Investing in stocks involves understanding the basics of how the stock market works and how individual stocks perform. Start by reading books, watching educational videos, and following reputable financial news sources to familiarize yourself with stock market fundamentals. Don't be intimidated by the jargon. Learn key terms like dividends, earnings per share, and market capitalization. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions. Step 3. Determine your risk tolerance. Investing always carries some level of risk. It's essential to understand your risk tolerance, the amount of volatility and potential loss you can handle. Ask yourself how comfortable you are with market fluctuations and the possibility of temporary declines in your investment. Knowing your risk tolerance will help you choose the right mix of stocks that aligns with your comfort level. 4. Start investing and diversify. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to enter the world of investing. Remember, diversification is key to managing risk and optimizing returns. Consider building a diversified portfolio of stocks from different industries or sectors. This way, if one stock underperforms, others may offset the loss. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 5. Monitor and review your investments. Once you've invested, your journey doesn't end there. Regularly monitor your investments and stay updated with market trends. Review your portfolio periodically and make adjustments if needed. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. And there you have it, our guide on how to invest in stocks and make your money work for you. By following these steps and staying committed to your financial goals, you'll be on the right path towards building long-term wealth through stock market investments.